Hey there everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Akriti and I run a small business, Miti Beads, and I'm so excited to have you here today. In this video, we are making a beautiful bracelet with aqua colored beads and a super cute kitty charm. It's a fun, simple and relaxing process, so stick around till the end. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need. Beads of your choice. I'm using these stunning aqua crack beads with a shimmery effect, a charm, jump rings, a pair of pliers or nose pliers, scissors and elastic string. I'm using a 0.6 mm elastic string which is perfect for regular bracelets. You can find these materials at a local craft store or online platforms as well like Meesho. They're affordable and great for beginners, so you can go with them. Alright, let's get started. To begin with, take your elastic string. Most people measure the string based on wrist size, but I do it a little differently. Instead of cutting the string first, I measure the size of bracelet using the number of beads. For a medium size wrist like mine, 22 beads work perfectly. For a broader wrist, I go with 25 beads. This method is super reliable because it focuses on the beads rather than the string, which can stretch or loosen over time. It's easy, consistent and saves your guesswork. Alright, now let's start threading the beads. Take your time and enjoy this process. It's so calming and satisfying. I love these aqua crack beads because they have a lovely shimmer that really stands out in any design. Bracelet making is one of those activities that's both creative and therapeutic. Even if you're making this bracelet just for yourself, it's such a soothing and calming way to spend time. Okay, once you've added all the beads, it's time to tie the ends of the string. I recommend tying 3 to 4 knots to secure it properly. Then stretch the bracelet gently to check its elasticity. At this point, the bracelet already looks beautiful. But let's add that extra special touch, the kitty cat charm. So for the charm, I'm using a jump ring to attach it. Use your pliers to carefully open the ring, or you can also open it with your hand. Hook the charm onto it and then close it securely. Okay, make sure the jump ring matches the charm. Like I'm using a golden jump ring for this kitty charm to keep the look cohesive. Once the charm is attached, secure it onto the bracelet. So here's the trick here. To pass out this charm into the bracelet, you have to carefully slide the charm into just look at the video how I'm doing it, and once it's right in this spot, take your plier and gently press the jump ring to close it securely. Make sure it's tight and doesn't have any gaps, and that's it. Super easy. And there you have it, a gorgeous aqua bracelet with a super cute kitty cat charm. I'm so happy with how this turned out and I hope you love it too. Thank you for crafting with me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Miti Beads for more fun bracelet making tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of designs or ideas you'd like to see next. Until then, happy crafting. Bye bye.